look what I found. She's so cute. Can I keep her? Yarrow offers several amazing gifts, which is why I had to have her in my garden. So when something happened and I needed her, we were both ready. The next time I got pregnant, my midwife told me that it might be a more challenging pregnancy because I was older. Hooray! One day I had beautiful legs, and the next day there were varicose veins spreading everywhere. I felt like I would be an ugly old lady forever. I did 2 things with herbs to stop and even reverse the spread of those varicose veins. 1, I stopped straining to poop. If you want to learn how to fix constipation with herbs, I have a video for you over here. 2, I used yarrow in an oil form. Let me show you that. Yarrow stands out from other pasture plants because of its feather-like leaves. See, they don't really form a classic leaf shape. See how feather-like they are? I scored this patch in a park near me one day, and I brought it home.
Mom, what are you doing?
Shh! I don't want anyone to see me taking plants from the park.
I don't think anyone's gonna care that you're pulling weeds.
Well, I'm still sneaky. To make yarrow into an oil for varicose veins, first chop it finely, pack it into a jar with the carrier oil, and shake it every day to extract the medicine. In just a couple of weeks, you can strain out the plant matter, add vitamin E oil if you like. I also added cypress essential oil. To apply this oil, first, briskly dry brush over the top of the varicose veins and then tenderly apply this oil. Yarrow is safe to use externally while you're pregnant, but please don't eat it during pregnancy. I hope you get lost in a patch of yarrow soon. Your veins will love it. Have you ever taken home a plant from the park? Tell me which ones you found and brought home in the comments. Choose freedom.